The hiring and recruiting landscape has undergone a seismic shift in the digital age. Once the domain of human intuition and personal judgment, the recruitment process is now dominated by automation systems and artificial intelligence, or AI. This transformation promises efficiency and accuracy, but raises profound questions about the erosion of human skills and the future of employment. Automation systems in recruitment offer undeniable advantages. They can sift through vast applications in seconds, identifying candidates who meet specific criteria without the biases that might cloud human judgment. AI can analyze patterns in data to predict which candidates are likely to succeed in a role, thus streamlining the hiring process and potentially increasing retention rates. For instance, automated applicant tracking systems can filter out resumes that don't match specific keywords or experience levels, reducing the burden on human recruiters. AI algorithms can also conduct initial screening by evaluating candidate responses to preset questions, scoring them objectively based on predetermined criteria. This allows companies to handle large applications efficiently, ensuring that only the most qualified candidates proceed to the following stages of the hiring process. However, this efficiency comes at a cost. Reliance on automation can lead to a dehumanization of the hiring process. Candidates may feel reduced to mere data points, their unique experiences and personal stories overshadowed by algorithmic evaluations. This impersonal approach can miss out on the nuances that a seasoned recruiter might catch, the spark of potential in an unconventional candidate, or the cultural fit that isn't easily quantifiable. Moreover, automated systems are only as good as the data and criteria they are built upon. If the algorithms are based on flawed data or biased inputs, they can perpetuate and even amplify existing biases in the recruitment process. This can lead to the exclusion of qualified candidates based on factors such as gender, race, or socioeconomic background, which are irrelevant to job performance. The lack of transparency in how these algorithms make decisions can also create a sense of mistrust among candidates and employees. The growing dependence on technology in recruitment raises a critical question. Is the competence of hiring professionals declining? As systems become more sophisticated, there is a risk that recruiters may become overly reliant on these tools, losing the essential skills that were once the hallmark of their profession. The art of reading between the lines of a resume, conducting insightful interviews, and making nuanced judgments about a candidate's fit within an organization are skills that are not easily replicated by machines. The erosion of these skills can lead to a less adaptable workforce and less capable of making complex human-centered decisions. As recruiters rely more on technology, their ability to develop and hone their judgment and intuition may diminish, creating a vicious cycle of dependency on automation. Furthermore, the over-reliance on automation can lead to a lack of critical thinking and creativity in the recruitment process. Human recruiters bring empathy, intuition, and an understanding of the context that machines cannot replicate. Are automated systems as good as human thinking and judgment? The answer is both yes and no. In terms of processing speed and consistency, machines outperform humans. They can handle repetitive tasks without fatigue and apply the same criteria uniformly. However, machines fall short when understanding human behavior, motivation, and potential intricacies. With all its flaws and biases, human judgment brings a level of empathy, creativity, and insight that algorithms cannot replicate. There is also a psychological dimension to consider. The reliance on machines can make individuals feel like slaves to the grind, where impersonal systems determine their worth. This can erode morale and reduce the sense of personal agency, leading to a workforce that feels disconnected and undervalued. Additionally, the impersonal nature of automated systems can lead to a lack of engagement and satisfaction among candidates. Job seekers often value personal interactions and building a rapport with potential employers. Automated processes can make candidates feel like they are interacting with a faceless entity, leading to a less positive candidate experience. This can harm the employer brand and make it harder to attract top talent in the long run. The shift towards automation in recruitment also has significant implications for organizational culture. A company's culture is often shaped by the people it hires and how they are integrated into the team. When machines dominate the hiring process, there is a risk that cultural fit and soft skills should be noticed in favor of easily measurable qualifications. Cultural fit is crucial for employee satisfaction and retention. Employees who align with the company's values and culture are likelier to be engaged, productive, and loyal. However, cultural fit is not easily assessed through algorithms. It requires a deep understanding of the candidate and the organization, best achieved through human interaction. Moreover, the impersonal nature of automated hiring processes can affect the integration and onboarding of new employees. Building a solid organizational culture requires personal connections and a sense of belonging, which can be undermined by a process that feels mechanical and detached. This can lead to higher turnover rates and lower employee morale, ultimately affecting the organization's performance and success. The use of automation in recruitment also raises important ethical considerations. The transparency and fairness of AI-driven decisions are critical issues that must be addressed. Algorithms can unintentionally perpetuate biases present in historical data, leading to unfair outcomes. It is essential for organizations to regularly audit and review their automated systems to ensure that they are not discriminating against any group of candidates. Moreover, clear guidelines and regulations need to be established around using AI in recruitment to protect candidates' rights. This includes ensuring that candidates are informed about how their data is being used and giving them the right to contest decisions made by automated systems. Ethical use of AI in recruitment requires transparency, fairness, and accountability. The future of recruitment lies in finding a balance between automation and human insight. Automation should be seen as a tool to enhance, not replace, the human element. Organizations can create a more effective and humane hiring process by leveraging both strengths. Recruiters should be trained to use these tools effectively while developing their assessment and judgment skills. This dual approach can lead to better hiring decisions, where the empathy and insight of humans complement the efficiency of machines. One approach is to use automation for the initial stages of the recruitment process, such as resume screening and initial assessments, to handle large applications efficiently. Human recruiters can then take over for the more nuanced stages of the process, such as interviews and final evaluations, where their judgment and intuition are most valuable. This ensures that the process is efficient and deeply human, harnessing the best of both worlds. Additionally, organizations should invest in continuous training and development so that their recruiters stay abreast of the latest trends and technologies while honing their interpersonal and assessment skills. This can help create a more adaptable and capable workforce that can leverage technology without becoming overly dependent. In conclusion, while the rise of automation in recruitment offers significant benefits, it also presents challenges that must be addressed. The key is to ensure that technology serves as an aid, not a replacement, for human judgment. By doing so, we can create a recruitment process that is both efficient and deeply human, harnessing the best of both worlds. This balanced approach can help mitigate the eerie and daunting aspects of automation, ensuring that we are not mere slaves to the grind but enslavers of our destinies, guided by the best tools available and the irreplaceable human touch. The future of recruitment is not about choosing between humans and machines, but about integrating them in a way that maximizes their strengths and minimizes their weaknesses. Organizations can build more effective, inclusive, and humane hiring processes by embracing technological advancements while preserving the human touch. This approach can help create a more dynamic and resilient workforce, capable of navigating the complexities of the modern world with both efficiency and empathy. As we move forward, it is crucial to keep the human element at the heart of recruitment, ensuring that technology enhances, not erodes, the skills and capabilities that make us uniquely human. By striking the right balance, we can create a harmonious future where technology and humanity coexist, driving innovation and progress while maintaining the values and connections essential to our success.